Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials, a WhatsApp business account and the Meta Developer API key. Once done, make sure the phone number is verified and messaging webhook is configured. This lets Meta AI receive and send messages. You will register your webhook URL and subscribe to messages and message deliveries. Next, install the WhatsApp business client or choose the cloud-hosted endpoint. This step creates the conduit between WhatsApp and Meta AI, so don't skip confirmations or permission checks. Now you wire message flow, parse incoming WhatsApp webhooks and transform them into Meta AI prompts. You will maintain session context per user, so the AI remembers previous messages, persist context securely in a data store. Once you route responses back, format rich messages, text, buttons, or media using WhatsApp templates when required. Also implement retries and rate limiting to avoid dropped messages. Finally, rotate API keys and verify scopes so the integration stays reliable. Finish by validating end-to-end flows, test templates, attachments, and conversational handoffs to a human. You should monitor delivery receipts and logs to confirm messages are delivered and processed. Once done, deploy gradual rollout and collect user feedback to tune prompts and context length. If something breaks, make sure the webhook signature matches Meta's secret and the API token hasn't expired. These two issues cause most failures. Make adjustments and rerun tests until interactions are smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.